Hi, good day everyone. My name is Sherwin Ongkad. My topic is all about Regional Police Bureau. The subordinate to the NPA, there are 6 RPBS nationwide. They are located in major cities of each geographic region. The Tokyo Metropolis Department and the Hokkaido Prefectural Police Headquarters are executed from the jurisdiction of RPBS, headed by a Direct General. Each RPB exercises necessary control and supervision of and provided support service to the prefectural police with each jurisdiction under the authorized and other of the NPA's Commissioner General. Prefectural police structure. The Police Act requires that each prefectural government have its own police organization to carry out police duties within jurisdiction. Ang kanang RPBS is diba subordinate na sila sa NPA, so bali diba sa atong bansa is ang NPA ang nag-take charge sa tanan, like sa authority sa place and other order sa atong bansa, which is lahi sa Japan. Kay sa Japan ang rule ni RPBS is only to determine general standards in police, while kaning si prefectural police is sila to ang naga-command sa police na gina-implement sa, so bali sa Japan is dual process and ilahang police system didto kay naay mga intended na agency para sa police and lahi na agency from the command of action. So basically si RPBS is subordinate siya, meaning connected and inline siya sa NPA. Dili ni NPA na no permit address sa kay sa Japan manina base ang imong topic sa, so ang NPA dinhi is National Police Agency. Then kaning prefectural police mao ni sila ang information system in Japan. Sila ang nagabuhat sa command sa ihatag sa ilaha public security, mao na ilang role. Si particular police ginakontrol na sila sa RPB o NPA sa ilang buhaton. So bali si RPB nagabuhat or intimately ga-command, then kaning prefectural police ang nagabuhat sa command. Si RPB ang musugo sa prefectural police mubuhat. That's all. Thank you.